Wow!
What you just did? What you did to me? It's a magic. I want to see more. Sure, I knew you're gonna like it. Let's begin our magic. Now I'm gonna show you my favorite coin trick. Let's begin. I have coins for you. What? No. We're gonna need real coins. Let's begin. Luca, what's under your hand? Let's see. Check again. Wow! How you did it? It's my magic trick. I want more. Okay, let's do another one. Let's make this coin disappear. Wow! You ready for a magic? Get, math! It doesn't work. Okay, let me try again. Wow! How you did that? Wow, it's so cool. You want more? Oh yes.
Ooh!
Now let's try with 2 coins. Put your hands down. And me too. Now grab your glass and put it like this. Ready, set, go. Wow, we made it together. Time for another one. For this one, we will need a glass for a cover. What with the cover? Now I'm gonna show you how to do a coin through the cover. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Now let's say magic words. Yes, math.
Wow!
How? Amazing!
Wow!
Wow, how you did it? It's just magic words. Wow, Matt, it was awesome! Okay, I have another one for you. This time we gonna need plates. Wow! Check this. How you did that? Easy peasy. I want to get more coins.
Ooh.
Check this.
Wow!
Wow, it's 4. How you did it? I told you I know real magic tricks. If you want to see more tricks, smash that